Buy it! Number 5 is Anycubic Kobra 2 3D printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 3D printer is an impressive powerhouse for woodworking enthusiasts. With its lightning-fast printing capabilities, the Kobra 2 is a time-saving marvel, allowing you to complete your projects up to 70% faster than traditional printers. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to efficient productivity. What sets the Kobra 2 apart is its upgraded LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system, which takes the hassle out of manual adjustments. Innovative offset technology ensures precise leveling, making it a breeze to achieve flawless prints every time. Filament delivery is a breeze with the Kobra 2's dual-geared extrusion structure. It boasts an impressive extruder power of 60 watts, guaranteeing swift and smooth material melting for enhanced flowability. To top it off, the Kobra 2 incorporates an optimized dissipation design with a cooling fan that reaches a staggering 7,000 RPM. This ensures rapid cooling of your models, enabling you to dive into the next phase of your woodworking adventure without delay. With its stable double Z-axis threaded rod structure, the Kobra 2 minimizes lifting resistance and delivers exceptional printing results. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for woodworking. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.